Welcome to the standing only exercise video. This video is where you're going to start if you cannot comfortably do exercises on the floor or get to the floor without experiencing any pain. So we're gonna start with standing bird dogs. I want you to find a stable chair, countertop, whatever isn't gonna move on you. So we're gonna start with the right arm and the left leg. They're gonna move simultaneously up. You're gonna keep your core and your hips square to the floor. All right, so lift up, try it out, good. We're gonna do 5 reps here. So that's 1, 2, squeeze that glute as you extend back as well with that leg. 3, that's 4, last one, and 5, good. Now we're gonna switch to the left arm and right leg. 5 reps again. All right, whenever you're ready, up, 1, good, 2, that's 3, good, keep those hips square, don't let them rotate out, 4, and 5. All right, we're gonna go back to the right arm and left leg. We're gonna do 2 10-second holds with a 2-second reset in between. Let's start with the first 10-second hold, and up, good. Try to keep those hips stable, keeping that core tight is gonna help. Also flexing that back foot. Nice job. Don't forget to breathe here and rest. All right, and back up. Good. Make sure the shoulders don't rise up. Keep those relaxed. Push them back and down. Keep that neck neutral as well. Good, and rest. All right, let's do 2 10-second holds on the other side. So left arm, right foot, and up. Good, nice job. Yeah, keep in mind those hips. Don't let them rotate. Good, and rest. 2 seconds, and then back up for the last one. Nice job. Good. And rest. All right, so we're gonna start with the wall plank. You wanna find a solid wall in your house where you're gonna have enough room behind you to angle your body away from the wall. So you're gonna place your hands or forearms on the wall to start, and then from there, you're gonna walk your feet back until you're at a diagonal away from the wall. Tuck your hips underneath you so that your spine is neutral and you don't hyperextend. Brace your core, keep those hips square, and we're gonna hold for 10 seconds here. Ready, begin. Good, remember to breathe. 3, 2, 1. Walk your feet up to rest. Take about a 5-second breather here, and then we're gonna go up to 20 seconds. All right, walk your feet back, core engaged, and begin. Good, tuck those hips underneath a little bit. Straighten out that spine. Good, keep your head neutral. You're over halfway done. Good, make sure those shoulders stay relaxed as well. 3, 2, and 1. Walk your feet back up. About a 5-second breather here. Last set is going to be for 30 seconds. So walk your feet back again. Last one here, and begin. Good. Nice job. Good. And keep those hips square to the floor. Make sure they're not angled out in any way. Nice job. You have about 10 seconds left. And almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, next up is the sidewall plank. This is gonna be similar to the last, except you're gonna be on your side. So same idea, you're gonna walk your feet back, but you're gonna angle out. All right, yep, your hips should be square forward. All right, the top foot should be in front of the left. Make sure your elbow and shoulder joint are relatively in a straight line, or the elbow can be a little below. All right, make sure your hips don't twist inward at all. So we're gonna start with 10 seconds each side and begin. Good. Make sure those hips don't fall. You want everything from your head to your feet to be in one line here. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides slowly. Yep, you can use your arms to rotate, or if you need to step up, that's okay too, and reset. All right, and begin. 10 seconds on this side. After this set, we'll take a 5-second breather, and then we'll go up to 20. 3, 2, and 1. Good. All right, slowly rotate back. All right, we're ready for 20 seconds, and begin. Good. If you have any shoulder tension, or if it's uncomfortable, you can grab that shoulder joint with a free hand. That should help. 3, 2, and 1. Switch to the left. Good. Take your time switching and begin. 20 seconds. Good. Make sure their shoulders are back and down. Don't rise up. You're halfway. Good. That's 3, 2, and 1. Take about 5 seconds here. Last set's going to be 30 seconds each side. All right, get set, and 30 seconds, begin. Good, you're halfway done. Make sure you're breathing. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, last rep here of 30 seconds. And get set, begin. Nice job. Halfway there. Good. 5, 2, and rest. Walk those feet up to the wall. Nice job.